keep videoing it for like 3 minutes.
Okay.
That way we get to see all the different parts.
Okay, Daddy's doing cement. He's filling it with water since he already put cement powder. Now he's turning it on so that I can mix.
And then come up here and check this out. Almost getting to the other side now.
Yeah.
That's great.
My guess is like you're like close because you used to be halfway, and then now you're actually not. You're like very close.
Yeah, it's exciting.
My guess is like you're like 80% close,
Yeah.
or maybe 70 or 50 because I don't know.
Finally got it to the other wall.
Congratulations. Daddy, do you think we can send this on YouTube?
Yeah, just make sure you get good video, otherwise we won't want to put it on YouTube. Your job is just as important as mine.
Daddy's scraping his shoes. Now he's walking over there to check if the cement is done or not. Then he'll pause and stop, and then now he'll bring that up. And look at it. Daddy, I don't know why it looks like poop. It looks like poop.
Okay, and there's always stuff stuck at the bottom, so gotta spray it out.
He went to go get one. I think we're gonna have to move a bit like this way, so that it doesn't go on us and then it'll be blurry. So we'll just stay right here. Daddy, you dropped a red thing in it.
Is it red or orange?
It was an orange thing from the machine. It fell.
Oh, dang. Don't want that there.
I'm so happy that I get to name the castle, and I also can ask Daddy to put the stuff in there that I want. And we're gonna be doing some layers, so it's like a girl castle, or maybe like a boy castle too.